This is Apple Watch 6, an expensive smartwatch from Apple. As a proud owner of Apple, you might encounter a problem at some point of your time where you find a green snake or red snake on your display and your Apple Watch won't start. If you put it back to the charger, it won't get charged and it gets hot. Please don't rush to the Apple Store as it is going to cost you a fortune to get it fixed. In Australia, you have to pay roughly 529 Australian dollars in order to get it fixed at the Apple Store. However, you can try some tips at home to get it fixed or get it restored. First thing, we have to empty the battery. In order to fully empty the battery, you have to remove the Apple Watch from the charger and let it sit down till the battery is drained completely. You can check if the battery has drained completely by pressing the digital crown of your smartwatch and the display won't turn on, or you no longer see the red snake or the green snake. Please be patient that it will take 3 to 4 days in order to fully drain the battery. Second thing is recharging the battery. In order to recharge the battery, you need to use a genuine Apple charger. Please don't use the USB ports from your computer or your charging station to charge the battery. By trying all these steps, your Apple Watch will start working again and save an expensive trip to your Apple Store. So I hope this video is useful for you, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.